Get ready, drink coffee for your 9 to 5. 'Cause today cows were fighting fun.
Hello, Ukulele on the ground, it's Aldrine Guerrero, and welcome to another month's lesson. This month we are teaching you spacesuits.
It looks like life made you put away your spacesuit. You're not making any plans to fly soon.
All right, let's get started. First off, the chords for this song. There are 6 chords that you must learn to play spacesuits. The first chord is a G chord. Take your pointer finger, place it on the C string, 2nd fret, middle finger, bottom string, 2nd fret, and your ring finger on the E string, 3rd fret. Next chord is a D. Pointer finger, top string, 2nd fret, middle finger, C string, 2nd fret, and your ring finger on the E string, 2nd fret. Next chord is an E minor. Pointer finger, bottom string, 2nd fret, middle finger, E string, 3rd fret, and your ring finger on the C string, 4th fret. Next chord is a C, ring finger, bottom string, 3rd fret. Next chord is a C major 7, middle finger, bottom string, 2nd fret. Last but not least, the F chord, middle finger, top string, 2nd fret, pointer finger, E string, 1st fret. And those are your chords for spacesuits.
Whatever happened to the stoplights, the donut shops, and the low speed limit signs? Wasting quarters on the weekend.
Next up is a strumming pattern. It's going to be a little bit tricky. You're going to use your pointer finger to strum, but occasionally you're going to take your thumb and pluck the top string, G string. So the strumming pattern is down, G, chunk, up, down, up. So down, G, chunk, up, down, up. Down, G, chunk, up, down, up. Let's try this out with our G chord. Very slowly. Down, G, chunk, up, down, up. 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 Now we're going to change chords, G, D, E minor, and C after every strumming pattern. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, go. Down, G, chunk, up, down, up. 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 So full speed, it sounds like this. 1, 2, 3, go. And that's your strumming pattern for spacesuits.
Wake up, hurry, don't be late, there's no time to waste.
Alright guys, I'm going to be showing you 2 picking patterns for this song. The first pattern we're going to show you is the intro riff, and the second pattern is the middle solo. So let's learn the first one, the intro riff. You're going to take your middle finger, place it on the C string 7th fret, ring finger on the E string 7th fret, and your pointer finger on the bottom string 5th fret. Now you're going to take your thumb and you're going to place that on the C string, pointer finger on the E string, middle finger on the A string. So you're going to start off with your thumb, follow that up with your pointer middle. So it sounds like this. Next up, take your ring finger, and you're going to place that down so that it holds down the bottom string 7th fret. And you're going to use your pointer and middle finger again. Release your ring finger so that it's not holding down the 7th fret anymore. Play your pointer and middle again. So it sounds like this. From there, you're going to take your pointer finger, you're going to place it down on the bottom 2 strings 5th fret, middle finger on the C string 6th fret, and you're going to play your thumb again. Now your pointer in middle. From there, you're going to take your ring finger, place it on the bottom string 7th fret, play your pointer and middle finger again. Release the 7th fret, play the bottom 2 strings one more time. So it sounds like. So far it sounds like this. So from there, you're going to take your pinky finger, play the bottom string 9th fret, slide that over to the 10th fret while you take your pointer finger and place it down on the bottom 3 strings on the 7th fret and strum down from the C string. So it sounds like this. From there, you're going to take your pointer finger, place it on the E string 10th fret, ring finger, bottom string 12th fret, middle finger 10th fret, pointer finger, bottom string 9th fret. So it sounds like this. Then you're going to slide that pointer finger to the 7th fret. So far it sounds like. So the first 2 parts are going to remain the same for the second part. But from there, you're going to play the E string, take your ring finger, hammer on to the 7th fret. So it sounds like this. Next up, slide your pointer and middle finger down so that your pointer finger is on the 3rd fret, middle finger is on the C string 4th fret, and you're going to play those middle 2 strings. So it sounds like this. So the whole thing sounds like. And that's the intro riff to Spacesuits.
Can I remember the dream? Well, I remember the dream.
Next up is the main solo part. You're going to start this out with your pointer finger on the C string 2nd fret. Your ring finger will play the C string 4th fret. Pointer finger now will go down to the E string 3rd fret. So it sounds like this. From there, you're going to play the E string 3rd fret again. Your ring finger this time will play E string 5th fret. You're going to pull off to reveal the 3rd fret. From there, your ring finger will play the E string 5th fret, and you're going to slide it over to the 7th fret. So that whole phrase sounds like. Your pointer finger is going to play E string 5th fret twice. Play it one more time. Now your ring finger is going to play E string 7th fret. Pull off to reveal the 5th fret. And from there, you're going to take your pointer finger, you're going to slide down to the 3rd fret and play the 3rd fret. So it's going to sound like. So that whole first part sounds like. Next, you're going to take your pointer finger again and play the C string 2nd fret twice. Ring finger C string 4th fret. So it's going to sound like. Pointer finger to E string 3rd fret. Ring finger will play the E string 5th fret, slide over to the 7th. So it's going to sound like. Pointer finger will play the E string 5th fret twice. Middle finger will play the A string 5th fret. Pointer finger will play the E string 5th fret, slide over to the 3rd. Play the E string 3rd fret again. So it sounds like this. From there, you're going to take your pointer finger, play the bottom 2 strings on the 5th fret, play the 2 strings, slide over to the 7th, slide back to the 5th. From there, take your pointer finger, play the E string 2nd fret. Your middle finger will hammer on and pull off on the 3rd fret. So it sounds like this. Ring finger will play the C string 4th fret again. Pointer finger on the E string 2nd fret. Middle finger on the E string 3rd fret. So it sounds like. Ring finger will play the E string 5th fret, slide over to the 7th. So that whole phrase sounds like. Pointer finger, E string 5th fret twice. Play the E string 5th fret one more time. Ring finger, E string 7th fret. Pull off to reveal the 5th fret. So it sounds like this. Slide down to the E string 3rd fret and play that note. So the whole phrase sounds like. Next up, pointer finger, C string 2nd fret twice. Ring finger, C string 4th fret. Pointer finger, E string 3rd fret. Ring finger, E string 5th fret, slide over to the 7th. So it sounds like. From there, take your pointer finger one more time, play the bottom 2 strings 5th fret. Play the bottom 2 strings, slide over to the 7th, and slide back to the 5th. From there, take your pointer finger, play the E string 2nd fret. You're going to play that note, you're going to hammer on and pull off with your middle finger on the E string 3rd fret. So it sounds like this. So far it sounds like. Ring finger, C string 4th fret. Play the E string 2nd fret with your pointer finger again. Middle finger will play the E string 3rd fret, slide over to the 5th fret. From here, you're going to take your pointer finger, you're going to place it on the E string 3rd fret, and you're going to pull off with your middle finger to reveal the E string 3rd fret. So it sounds like this. So that phrase sounds like. From there, you're going to take your middle finger again, play the E string 5th fret, slide over to the 7th fret. Pointer finger on the E string 5th fret, you're going to pull off with your middle finger on the 7th fret to reveal the 5th fret. So it sounds like. Middle finger again, we'll play the E string 7th fret, slide over to the 8th fret. Pointer finger will go on the E string 7th fret. You're going to pull off on the 8th fret with your middle finger to reveal your pointer finger on the E string 7th fret. So that whole thing sounds like. From there, you're going to take your middle finger, play the E string 8th fret and slide over to the 10th. Pointer finger will play the bottom string 9th fret. And you're going to take your middle finger, you're going to hammer on and pull off on the 10th fret. So it sounds like this. Now your middle finger once again will play the E string 10th fret. And your pointer finger will play the A string 9th fret. And you're going to end it with your middle finger on the A string 10th fret. So it sounds like. So that whole phrase sounds like. And the whole solo picking sounds like. And that's a solo part for Spacesuits.
Whatever happened to the stoplights, the donut shops, and the low speed limit signs? Wasting quarters on the weekend.
Alright folks, that was Spacesuits. If you want, the beginning riff can be palm muted for a little extra oomph in there. Please check out Uke Minutes if you need to work on your hammer pull combination. And also check out the play along and play along. This is Aldrine Guerrero for UkuleleUnderground.com signing off. Till next time, aloha.
All week you're stuck in your box and you walk and you talk, but you're completely lost, still waiting for your off days. It looks like life made you put away your spacesuit.
So this is a song that I wrote about quitting my job. I don't want to name them, but let's just say they're called the Bland Wyatt Hotel. Bland Wyatt Hotel. So I was a slide attendant for the Bland Wyatt Hotel, and I gave towels and cleaned up the place. And I was like, I don't want to do this for the rest of my life. And whatever happened to my dreams of being able to be a pilot. I've always wanted to be a pilot, and I've always wanted to fly. As a kid, I wanted to be an astronaut. My name is Aldrine. I'm actually named after the astronaut Buzz Aldrin. So if you take Buzz Aldrin, you add an E in the end of his last name, you get Aldrine. That's where my parents thought they were clever. So that's where I got my name. And and I always thought everybody's always trying to grow up so fast, and whatever happened to taking it easy, taking things slow. and just kicking back, relaxing. Whatever happened to those good old days where we'd go to a pinball machine and waste all our quarters. So there's a song about that. Wake up, get ready, drink coffee for your 9 to 5. 'Cause today, casual Friday, funky shirt, help your day go by. The rest of the week you're lost, you're stuck in your box, you're wearing your black and white, just waiting for your off days. Looks like life made you put away your spacesuits. You're not making any plans to fly soon. Whatever happened to the stoplights, the donut shops, the low speed limit signs, wasting quarters on the weekend. Wake up, hurry, don't be late, there's no time to waste. Your shirt straight, does it match your shoes, does it match your face? All week you're stuck in your box and you walk and you talk like you're completely lost, just waiting for those off days. Looks like life made you put away your spacesuit. You're not making any plans to fly soon. Whatever happened to the stoplights, the donut shops, the low speed limit signs, wasting quarters on the weekend? Whatever happened to the stoplights, the donut shops, the low speed limit signs, wasting quarters on the weekend? Oh, will I wake up, give me 5 more minutes to remember the dream? Can I remember the dream? Will I remember the dream? Wake up, give me 5 more minutes to remember my dreams. Can I remember the dream? Will I remember the dream? Looks like life made you put away your spacesuit. You're not making any plans to fly soon. Whatever happened to the stoplights, the donut shops, the low speed limit signs, wasting quarters on the weekend? Whatever happened to the stoplights, the donut shops, the low speed limit signs, wasting quarters on the weekend? Wake up, hurry, don't be late, there's no time to waste. Away, time's killing you.
Just open up and just pour it back in.
Knock it back.
Really?
It's a shot of Pop Rocks. Lemon Pop Rocks.
Okay. I'm gonna try to smile the whole time. Oh, God. Why would you make such a thing?